Oh, no, not again. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. No service. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Help! Help! Help me!
Who's in there?
Kendall?
Greenlee. You've got to be kidding me.
Kendall, the elevator's stuck. You have to get me out of here. I know you're angry, but I need your help. You know what being stuck in small places does to me. I'm begging you, Kendall. Please help me. Please. I need my friend. Kendall, are you there?
Yeah. And now I'm leaving.
Wait. Please.
I don't know what Zach was talking about. This is not my safe haven. Not anymore.
What?
I said I never should have come here.
There's no air.
Okay, I'm the one who's suffocating here. Every time I turn around, there you are in my face. You and Ryan, smothering me with your happiness. Reminding me that I'm alone, and I will be alone forever.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry that Zach is dead, and I'm sorry that he died trying to help me.
Okay, just shut up, all right? Shut up. Your guilt and your apologies, they mean nothing. I want Zach. Bring my husband back.
I can't.
No, you can't. You can live your fairy tale with Ryan, and I can hope that someday I have a body to bury.
I'm sorry.
I want Zach. Bring my husband back.
I love Zach too. If I could undo everything that happened and take away your pain, I would. But I can't. There's no way that I can help you, and it's killing me. I love you, Kendall. This place. The minute we set foot in this building, we hated each other, but working together, fighting together, crying together, surviving together. You're my best friend. I lost you, and you lost Zach. And it's all my fault. I wish it were me. I should be at the bottom of that river, and Zach should be with you. I wish I would have died instead of him.
No, Greenlee. I don't want you to die. I love you too.
Got it.
Thank you. Come here. Thank you. Merry Christmas.
You too.
Okay, all right. Take some deep breaths, okay? Deep breaths. All right, Greenlee. Look at me. It's over.
I feel horrible. Once again, you had to save me. I don't deserve it.
Okay, what do you want me to, I mean, should I have left you there until New Year's?
I meant what I said. It should have been me.
No, don't say that. Don't say that. Don't even think that.
Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. We're fine.
You mean that?
You didn't make Zach's plan go down. You're not the reason he's gone. This whole thing is just, it's hard. It's so hard, and I'm so angry. But I never should have blamed you. I'm sorry. I miss my friend.
I miss you too. This is all I wanted for Christmas.
So then, should I tell Ryan to bring your gifts back?
No.
And we're back.
You asked why Zach would send you here. What did it mean?
I think he sent me here to find you. Think of it as a Christmas miracle.